भारत जोड़ो यात्रा got the word mohabbat into our politics, I think is the biggest achievement. I think Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra takes that message forward and talks about the many injustices that have been met to our people. जिस तरह का अन्याय लोगों ने पिछले 10 साल में सहा है, उस अन्याय का अंत होना होगा. Pillars of Nyay that Rahul Gandhi ji is talking about, which is Yuva Nyay, which is Nari Nyay, which is Kisan Nyay, which is Shramik Nyay, and which is Bhagidari Nyay, is the kind of justice that this country needs. The fact that the youth in this country are unemployed, और उनका न्याय रोजगार बनाकर होगा. Women in this country are seeing lower participation in the economy and are very vulnerable. Look at the kind, जिस तरह का महिला अपराध मोदी जी की नाक के नीचे हुआ है, मुझे लगता है उनका न्याय होगा अगर हम उनको सुरक्षित बनाएंगे और स्वावलंबी बनाएंगे. Farmers today are earning less than 27 rupees a day. They are saddled under loans. जिस तरह का अन्याय उनके साथ हुआ है, वो MSP को ठीक करके वो किसान की हालत सुधार के होगा, और उसके लिए राहुल गांधी जी प्रतिबद्ध हैं. 1/4, 1/4 जितने लोग सुसाइड करते हैं, उसमें से 1/4 लोग श्रमिक हैं, लेबर हैं. इनसे हिंदुस्तान बनता है. When their wages improve, when their incomes improve, we will see nyay happen, justice happen to them. And last but not the least, in fact, if you ask me, the most resounding nyay has to happen to people who come from marginalized communities, चाहे शोषित, दलित, वंचित, आदिवासी, पिछड़े लोग, जिनके साथ पिछले 10 साल से सिर्फ नाम के लिए सम्मान की बात हुई है. जातिगत जनगणना की जो बात है, उससे इनको वो साझेदारी, वो भागीदारी मिलेगी. और मुझे लगता है न्याय के जो ये 5 स्तंभ राहुल गांधी जी जो बात कर रहे हैं, उससे न्याय जरूर होगा. We have a blueprint. We come with experience. हमारा सबसे बड़ी प्राथमिकता है जो 30-35 लाख सरकारी पद खाली पड़े, उनको भरना चाहिए. We are absolutely certain that the joke that has been cracked upon our youth with the Agnipath schemes need to be undone. We are absolutely committed to recruitment the way it happened in armed forces before this Agnipath came to fore. We are absolutely committed to gainfully making people employed. I think without a doubt, Indira ji, I mean, if there is somebody who walks with the courage of his convictions, it's Rahul ji. And who better would compliment him than Indira ji herself? I mean, the Iron Lady who kept the country united. The most memorable day of my life in the Congress was the 30th of January 2023, when the yatra had culminated in Srinagar. And all of us were there. It was snowing. It was completely snow laden. And I remember Rahul ji made that iconic speech. I think about that speech and I well up. I think about that speech और मुझे मेरे रोंगटे खड़े हो जाते हैं. Congress teaches you something, but I learn a lot from my leader, and I learned that सच को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए सिर्फ एक आदमी काफी है.